Thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Driven by Gears. So today, I got some boot action for the old front shocks on Black Betty. Also, got some rock lights that you control with your remote. That will be fun. Another thing I picked up too was check out these light bars. Super thin, super light, and super bright. I got this one. I think this is 25 inches. Got that one 52 inches. And some of these pod lights, 4 of those, all for $89. On eBay, of course. So if you want a link to that, comment below and I'll send you the eBay link where I got all those. So that will be what's in store for this week. Still working on the roof rack. But as of right now, we're going to install these boots. So keep watching. So hopefully you like that short little clip there of just adding boots to the shock, because I got the blue accents. Some people like those boots, some people don't. Some say they collect a bunch of rocks and garbage and then corrode the shock. I ran them on my Jeep for a long time, never really had an issue. So, I mean, if you're going in creek beds and all that all the time, yeah, I probably wouldn't put them on. But right now it's just for accents. Just a little cheap upgrade. not upgrade, I should say, just a cheap little dolled up boot to, go with what else is going on the front. So anyway, hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're the first time viewer. Also, if you're wondering what this channel is all about, if you're first time coming to this page, it's basically anything driven by gears. It could be featured on this channel. It could be trucks, cars, boats, guns, hell, a clock even. There's just no telling. Anything that has its gears a-turning might be on this channel. And also check out my Instagram channel if you like pictures, because I put a lot of pictures on there. All kinds of stuff. Anything that I can find that's of interest, it goes on Instagram. So, many more things to come to this channel, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.